everyone, and welcome back to the Cargo's channel, and welcome back to the vlog. I am so sorry that I have not uploaded in over a week, but last weekend was my wife's birthday, so I really wanted to spend some time with her, and we went to Atlantic City. I did take the camera, but I only filmed like the sunset, which I'm gonna put after the video so you can actually see a little time lapse of the sunset. But I didn't film much more because I have a few vlogs already in the Borgata Casino and I didn't want the content to be repetitive. So I did that. We had quite the binge this weekend. The food over there is fantastic and I had a little bit too much. So I decided to go on a diet again. Thumbs up if you like diets. But let me tell you something. Diets are not easy. Diets are not easy, and we're gonna wait for this. Ooh, it's also so hot in here. Let's turn the car up. Turn the windows. Put the windows down. Now, that's not easy. So if the name of this vlog is Cars and Tacos, we're going for tacos because diet starts tomorrow. I really need to lose about 10 to 12 pounds. So I challenge you too, if any of you feels like needing to lose some of the gut fat, participate in the challenge. Today is the 30th of July, and let's set 2 months for 10 pounds. Why not? Now, what are we going to talk about in this vlog? First, what's in this box, then next update for, or how you call this, next mod for Slate, and am I buying a van? I think I'm seriously looking into really buying like the cheapest van possible and turning it into a camper. But let's go have the tacos first. Oh boy, did I fill up the belly. I had 2 carnitas tacos. You only see one in the footage because they forgot one and they brought it afterwards. And 1 taco árabe. Taco árabe is the little roll that it actually has beef with caramelized onions and spices inside. It's delicious. On that note, I think now it's the perfect time to start the diet, I guess. But you remember that little box that we saw earlier? We're gonna get that out of the way next. Alright, what is this? This box has something that was sent to me by an Amazon seller for me to make a review of. There is a piece of camera gear inside that only costs 22 bucks, and we're gonna unbox it now and I'm gonna review it in the next 1 or 2 videos. I'm not 100% sure. But this brings me to the fact that people are actually interested in the channel, and I am very happy about it. If I like the product that anyone interested in the channel is selling, and I want to review it, I'll be more than happy to do it. Same was the case with this piece of camera gear, and let's open it up real quick. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, so what I was saying, yeah, seller is called Fantaseal, and they sell little tripods, camera gear, phone tripods, camera tripods, and this particular thing is a C-mount. Let's get rid of this. C-mount for the for DSLRs and phones. Get rid of this. A lot of packaging over here. Let's see what's going on. It's also hard with one hand. But where was I going with this? If any of you guys watching my videos have a company or a shop that sells something or shows something and you want me to represent it, and actually only if I like your ideology and the products, I'll be more than happy to. Look at this. This looks really nice. So what this is called is a C-mount. And let's take it out of there. Yeah, looks really nice and sturdy. It is cheap, but it doesn't look cheap. Actually, this is plastic, but it's nice and solid plastic. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at this thing another day. I'll make a review on it. We'll set it aside for now. But if you are a manufacturer of a cool car product, photography gear, or anything like that, shoot me an email, carghost@carghostny.com. I'll be happy to participate in, to try your product and reveal it. Next thing, I've been thinking for a really long time to buy a van. I wanted to have a diesel van with a big engine so I can tow Slate, but those are expensive. They really are expensive. So I changed my mind and I'm looking for like the cheapest ever cargo van so I can create a stealth camper out of. I guess I won't be able to tow Slate in it, but at least it'll be dirt cheap. I'll get it. I'll clean it up real nice and create a camper for me and my wife for weekend getaways. I by no means will live in a van. I don't judge people who do, but I love having solid roof on top of my head. And the camper, I love for the convenience. You can bring it anywhere, park it, sleep, continue with your journey. So that's the van. And next Slate mod, I'm thinking bumper. I'm thinking the E63 bumper would look really good, but then I gotta get also the different side markers, the different grills and fog light housings, and the grill and the hood release latch. Yeah, the whole 9 yards. So I've been thinking for a while. I've been looking at some products. Another thing I was looking at is the 9-inch command unit that has Android Play. Let me know if you guys like those, if you've seen videos of those, if you can recommend any of them. I think that would be a cool new addition for Slate. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, let's get out of the car. Main reason I wanted to get a bumper is also it's kind of broken right here. Somebody backed up and hit me. It was a while back, so that would be a good new addition to put the little Carghost plate on the new bumper. I hope you guys like this little update. If you did, hit the thumbs up, smash it if that's something you do, as Peter McKinnon says. If you like the daily vlogs, not daily, but if you like the lifestyle vlogs, the product reviews, the car meets and car events that I attend, also work done on my Slate 2006 Mercedes E350, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button as well. Why not? Notifications are cool. It's 2018 and let's get this party started and get the conversation going down in the comment section. For now, have a great day. Bye.